Swasthya Mastu. Welcome to pransattva.ai, where ancestral intelligence meets artificial intelligence. So in today's episode, we are going to talk about something which is very sacred in all tradition, that's ghee. आज भी हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी की कहानियां बोलती है घी खाओ सेहत बनाओ. But why? For centuries, ghee has been considered as sacred and healing across all cultures. We use it for our puja, symbolizing health, purity and longevity. In Ayurveda, ghee is called Amrit as it is used in Panchakarma detox therapies. Ghee is also used in making prasad which we offer God. And monks also use ghee to enhance their brain function and meditation. But beyond traditions, science is now proving what our ancestors already knew. Now let's understand why ghee is always called as superfood. 1. It is rich in healthy fat, which means it has short chain fatty acids which helps in gut health, digestion and reduces our inflammation. Ghee also helps in raising good cholesterol and supports brain function. 2. Ghee also improves our immunity. Ghee is loaded with fat-soluble vitamins which includes A, D, E and K, which helps in strengthening our immunity, improves our eyesight and also is good for our skin health. 3. Ghee promotes weight loss. Yes, you heard it right, weight loss. The CLA found in ghee helps in reducing our stubborn fat and increases our metabolism. 4. Ghee has a smoke point of 250 degrees Celsius and that is why it is suitable for our Indian style of cooking. 5. As per Ayurveda, ghee also helps in balancing our Vata and Pitta doshas. It helps in calming our nervous system, it helps in reducing our acidity and also lubricates our joints. फिर भी लोग बोलते हैं कि घी तो फैटी होता है, हार्ट के लिए हार्मफुल होता है. Now let's burst this myth. Truth 1. Ghee does not cause heart disease if taken in moderation. In fact, it helps you in reducing your bad cholesterol and increasing your good cholesterol. Truth 2. Ghee does not make you fat if taken correctly. 1 teaspoon of ghee in warm water if you take every morning, in fact it helps you in burning your fat and not store it. So, whether it is for gut, healthy skin or better memory, ghee is nothing but a pure gold. Remember, our ancestors were not just wise, they were intelligent. And that's why we call ancestral intelligence to artificial intelligence.